I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to reach out to Remitly support, follow these easy steps to get the help you need. Step 1. Open the Remitly app. Launch the Remitly app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access support options. Step 2. Navigate to Help Center. Look for the Help with Support option in the app's menu. This is usually found at the bottom of the screen or in the side menu. Step 3. Choose your issue. In the Help Center, browse through the categories or use the search bar to find the specific issue you need help with. This will help direct you to the right resources. Step 4. Contact support. If you can't find a solution, look for the Contact Us button. This will provide you with options to chat, email, or call support directly. Step 5. Provide details. When contacting support, be ready to give them your account details and a clear description of your issue. This will help them assist you more effectively. Remember, if you are using the app, ensure that your app is updated to avoid any glitches while accessing support. Good luck, and I hope you get your issue resolved quickly.